Hello friends, welcome back. I am Trilochan. In this video, we'll discuss the top 5 programming languages that rule in 2021. Nowadays, every year changes the priorities of programming languages as per the popularities in the terms of industry. You can say tech world is very volatile in nature. So the programming language is getting much affected. Yes, the programming language is most important prerequisite for almost every domain or discipline you can say. Whether it would be web development, machine learning, and data science or any other. And every year we see how the ranking of these programming languages fluctuates, right? In accordance with their random demands and popularity among the developers. Meanwhile, you are required to be updated with all these latest trends and indices of programming language to stay relevant in these trends or relevant in tech market, right? In particular, the beginners are strongly required to consider several crucial aspects such as demand and popularity and job opportunities and applications, right? So, before opting out for a particular programming language, so today I will tell you the top 5 programming languages you can consider for your career growth, and these not in order because I am not authorized to make these orders. It's a simple my point of view, the languages which I kept in order, right? So let's the first language I will tell you, that's Python, which I love the most because it's very easy to learn and very powerful in terms of huge rich library supports, right? As for the not only me, as for the red monk ranking report for the year 2020, the Python outranks Java to become the second most popular programming language. The language has experienced tremendous growth of around 18 to 19% in the last 5 years. Okay, so the Python has been favorite language of almost every individual who is just starting the career in programming, right? So this is very simple language to learn. The primary reason behind this is very simple. I would say I would recommend if you're starting the programming and you are new to it, you can start learning Python. This is very easy. Okay, the language is extensively used for the web development, software development, anything you want. The most the popular language, popular domain, you can say, the artificial intelligence, machine learning, data science is the Python used. So this is very recommended language for these days, and you can consider this as a first language you can learn as a the beginner. Okay, then next is I would recommend JavaScript. So future is JavaScript, I would say. Many languages came and gone, but JavaScript is one of the few languages that are always in demand. So it provides the both front end and back end. So anyone like you, if you want to learn front end, then you can learn JavaScript and you do it easily. And the frameworks like React and Angular, it gives a more foil to it. Meanwhile, some of the renowned companies in tech world that are using JavaScript are Facebook, then Google, Uber, anything. I mean, any name you can say. Everyone uses the JavaScript. Okay, so this is how JavaScript is very popular. So nowadays, more preferably like developers are using, and it is also very easy to learn. So as these are millions of as like currently the millions of websites already existing over the web and that are heavily relying on JavaScript. And on the top of that, looking at the demand and dominance of the language, it won't be wrong to say, as I said, JavaScript will be the future. So everything is possible in JavaScript. So next is my second favorite language, that is Java. When it comes to Java, I have nostalgia feelings for this programming language because I got my first income from this. This language has given me income opportunity when I was in college. Like my college days, I used to do the projects for seniors and my juniors so that I can earn something from this. Okay. So many times it seems out that Java is losing its sound, but when you will look at the actual state, every year Java ends up with a really good ranking that proves the particular language is still doing well in demand in the tech world. When we talk about the object oriented language, Java is the best example I can say. The language is simple, the language is widely used in Android development along with web application, desktop application, scientific applications like the top notch companies like Adobe, Amazon, Flipkart, the Indian company. Many others are using Java, offering revising career opportunity to like Java developers. Okay, the next is you won't believe in my list, that is the, you can say, the language is will be forever, that is C and C++. Okay, you won't believe. So like this is the language you start from, everyone start like my in my college we have studied the C and C++. Everyone, literally everyone started from C and C++. There are numerous big tech companies that hire C++ developers with some decent salary packages such as Adobe, Oracle, Microsoft, Nvidia. Everyone is still using C++. And learn C and C++ in 2021 is not only beneficial from the career perspective, but it also somehow makes it easier for you to learn other languages, other programming languages afterwards. Okay, so C++ and C is forever. Like it's a root ABCD of that programming language. You have to learn this. Okay, the next is in last, not in the least, it is totally my point of view. PHP still has the demand in market. Not only me, even TOB indexes for December 2020, but the language is also the place under the top 10 programming language at the eighth rank. It's not a joke, right? The PHP is still has a popular in among the developer. In fact, RedMonk ranking reports that language is fourth position, surpassing like languages like C++, Kotlin, etc. Even various renowned websites like Facebook, Wikipedia, WordPress are heavily relying on PHP and are providing numerous career opportunity for the PHP developer regularly. So PHP also in market. So these five languages you can consider for your career in 2020. First is Python, then JavaScript, Java, then C++. For C and C++ is root here. You have to learn this. Okay. So next is PHP. Yes, still has an opportunity to learn PHP and get your dream job like in Facebook and Wikipedia, right? So I hope you like this video. If so, please comment, share, like, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much.